2025 did not change my life overnight, but it quietly changed the way I think, the way I react, and the way I live my life. आज I'm going to tell you 7 things that 2025 taught me, and ये कोई motivational quote नहीं है. Genuinely, these things I've learned in 2025. Hi, I'm Kaval, and if you're new here and if you've clicked on this video, thank you so much for spending your time here. So let's get started. The first thing that I learned in 2025 is that consistency matters more than motivation. In 25 में मैंने ये सीखा कि motivation is unreliable. No matter आपके पास कितनी भी motivation है, but it keeps changing. एक दिन आपको लगेगा कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा motivated हो. For example, you always think कि I'm going to start this, when the new year comes, I'm going to start that. और वो एक आपके पास motivation होती है, आपके पास एक planning होती है. But ask yourself, you really execute those? And this has happened with me as well. मैंने कितनी चीज़ें हर साल सोची हैं कि I will do this, I will do that the next year. Actually motivation का क्या है कि motivation you can get from anywhere. You can watch a video, you can get motivation. कोई आपने quote पढ़ लिया, आपको motivation मिल गई. आपने motivation तो बहुत ले लिया, आपने scroll तो बहुत कर लिया, आपने quotes तो बहुत सारी पढ़ ली. But are you actually executing those? हम सबका आंसर होता है no. मैं क्या मैंने शुरू किया था? Okay, I was doing this, but कब छूट गई नहीं पता. Basically, this is what I've learned in 2025 कि you can get motivation from anywhere, but to execute it and doing it consistently is what changes your life. And हो सकता है कि कुछ दिन आपको मन ना करे कुछ करने का, and हो सकता है आपने जो शुरू किया था आप उसको कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पा रहे हो, and that's very very normal. But again, you have to pick yourself up and you have to be consistent in whatever you want to do. और मैंने जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग देखे हैं लाइफ में, they all have one thing in common, and that is consistency. So the second thing that I learned in 2025 is life doesn't pause just because you're busy. Okay, this is something which was very difficult for me to learn actually. So as I'm getting married this year, so this year and the last year बहुत major life changes हो रहे हैं मेरी life में. So before all of that मेरी life बहुत ज़्यादा balanced थी. I was working, I was going out with my fiance, and I was spending time with my family. I was spending time with myself as well. If I talk about last year and even this year as well, literally मेरा एक ही loop चल रहा था. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था एक टाइम पे कि ये मेरे days loop में चली जा रहे हैं, and even on the weekends I was not getting time. I realized one day that 6 months have passed और मुझे नहीं पता चला. So take out time for your family, for your friends. Just remember to balance your life, even if you're not able to take out time for yourself. Just try to balance things and maybe enjoy a little in between, because life literally does not pause for you, even if you're busy. Especially if you're working women, आपको पता है कि one moment you're focused on work, deadlines, responsibilities. Next moment you have to think about marriage, your future family, and the responsibilities that you have at home. Setting boundaries gave me mental peace. This is such an important point, especially for those who are introvert, who cannot say no to anybody, who always say yes to everyone just to be nice with them. I literally cannot stress on this point enough that setting boundaries is so important. मैं एक ऐसी लड़की थी जो जहाँ पे अगर मैं किसी ग्रुप में बैठी हूँ, even if it's like a work setting or something, मतलब मैं ऐसी थी कि अगर कोई मेरे साथ कोई बात कर रहा है और अगर किसी ने मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा और कोई प्लान्स बनाए, तो मुझे नो बोलने में डर लगता था कि वो लोग क्या सोचेंगे, and what if they get offended. So I had this fear of saying no, and मैं हर चीज़ में agree करती थी. Literally हर चीज़ में agree करती थी. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मेरा point of view है क्या, और मेरे opinions कुछ और होते थे. Of course I knew that. I was so scared to say that out publicly. And finally I decided to start choosing myself more. जहाँ पे मेरा मन नहीं करता था मैंने no बोलना शुरू करा. जहाँ पे मेरे point of views different थे, I started saying that loud, and I didn't care how many people are there in front of me. You really feel peace here, and you should not get scared of sharing your opinions. It's okay, even if they offend anybody, it's not your problem. You just have to stay true to yourself. You have to share, you have to speak up what you believe in. Next thing that I learned in 2025 is to stop overthinking. All can relate with me in this point, especially girls, because boys also sometimes, but mostly I think girls ज़्यादा overthink करती हैं जितना मैंने देखा है अपने आसपास and जितना मैंने खुद को देखा है. I am going to share a real life story with you just quickly. I have this colleague of mine, इसको मैं इतना पसंद नहीं करती थी क्योंकि मेरी values से, मेरे opinion से, मेरे belief से उसके actions या फिर whatever she used to say वो match नहीं करते थे, right? And I used to be very negative about her. I used to discuss so much about it and it all suddenly became so negative in my mind. Then I was like कि यार वो इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है. मेरे दिमाग में वो चीज़ इतनी build up हो चुकी है because I overthink so much about it. Why am I giving her so much of my time and energy? I learned not to think negative or positive. Literally उसके लिए कोई feelings नहीं. No negative, no positive, no toxicity in my head. Mind felt so lighter. Just felt like something is off my mind, you know. So I think this is important for everyone who overthinks क्योंकि ये चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा build up हो जाती है and at the end we only suffer. The next thing that I learned in 2025 is to listen to my intuition. So I will cover this topic separately in maybe some other video. मैं manifestation में बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा believe करती हूँ and I feel like most of the things that I have in my life right now, I have manifested them. ये चीज़ बहुत सालों से कर रही हूँ. Think I have figured it out and I know how to do it perfectly. इतने टाइम से प्रैक्टिस करते हुए I think I have mastered it और मुझे लगता है कि मेरी इंट्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई है कि I literally get signals. छोटे से छोटा डिसीजन हो और बड़े से बड़ा डिसीजन हो मेरी लाइफ का, I just get this intuition and I follow it blindly without thinking anything. Kind of feels like somebody is guiding me to be on the right path. You won't believe that automatically मेरे actions align हो जाते हैं with the thing that I want. Just so magical. The more you listen to your intuition, faster you manifest. और अगर आप उसकी नहीं सुनोगे तो obviously वो आपको आना बंद हो जाएगी. So it is all about practice. In 2025, I have learned that listening to my intuition has really changed the way I manifest. Literally जो भी मैंने अपने vision board पे लगाया था last year, actually have manifested 90% of it. Just that you have to start listening to your intuition. You have to follow it blindly and just let it go. Just like you place order on Amazon and you know that it's coming. Same way you have to tell the universe what you want and you have to let it go. Just believe that it's coming. No if, no but, just be confident that it's coming. Automatically your actions will start aligning and you can just feel the switch. You can feel the change in your energy, your actions, that finally you'll feel that you're going towards it and it's going to happen. I'll cover this topic in another video in depth, explaining how I do it, how I practice it, and how I literally manifest so fast that even I sometimes can't believe it. You don't need everything to be figured out to move forward. Sorry, my mic stopped working and I have to record like this now. And I was telling you that I am a person who loves planning, who used to love planning, and I still do. The thing that I've learned in 2025 is you cannot control everything. It's very fun planning, and I know that आप mentally बहुत ज़्यादा clear होते हो चीज़ों को लेके, prepared होते हो. I know that, but what I learned is that you cannot control everything. आपको कुछ चीज़ें छोड़नी पड़ती हैं. You have to just let it be and maybe you'll realize कि random scenes को हाँ बोलने से वो चीज़ आपकी life की सबसे best memory बन जाती है. So I think planning is good. आपको planning करनी चाहिए just to be clear in your head, but not always. You don't need to have everything figured out to move forward क्योंकि perfection doesn't exist. मैं खुद ऐसी हूँ कि मुझे हर चीज़ परफेक्ट चाहिए होती थी कि मेरे प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग होगी तो वो चीज़ मैं करूँगी, अदरवाइज मैं उस चीज़ को ना बोल दूँगी. एनी random plan used to scare me because I was not mentally prepared for it. I started saying yes to random plans. Sometimes I am planning things, obviously. Sometimes I'm just letting it go. I'm just letting it be and just going with the flow. So these were the things that I learned in 2025. If this video resonated with you, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what 2025 has taught you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.